welcome back to my channel for some not new releases. I didn't realize I never filmed a new release video, so I am so sorry about that. Yeah, so it's about a week late, as in I released these, you know, a week ago. My bad. So let's go through these real quick, like it's a normal new release video. So I said in my previous new release video when I did the weekend banners, let me see, is that the last clear thing I did? So I have, like, I'm trying to build very functional clear items, and I want them to be very, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, purposeful. Like, I don't want to just throw these clear things out because I feel like that's kind of seen. That's not kind of what I mean by that. Like, how am I trying to phrase this? Like, I'm trying to make staples in my clear overlays or foiled items instead of like 1,000,001 things. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense because I just probably sounded like an ass if it doesn't. So these are the headers that I am releasing, and they are clear. So when you put them over something, it will be see-through. There we go. So you can see my nail. Yeah, so I have gold and silver, because I have not found a rose gold that I like. The rose gold that I have marbles, and I've tried ordering it many different times and it marbles. So yeah, so again, these are the standard size of my headers. So you get 4 blocks of them. And then previously I had the weekend banners and then the bows. So like I said, I'm trying to build up more of a staple kind of clear than just 1,000,000 different clears, because I can't keep up with that. Is that terrible? Probably, but yeah. So that's where we're at with that. Probably more honesty than you probably wanted, but you know, I tend to do that. So yeah, moral of the story, I have clear headers now. And then let's do the full kit and then we'll come back to the mini. So I'll zoom you out just a little bit. So this is probably my favorite Halloween movie ever. I would probably say that's true. I'm still gonna say that's true. I'm obsessed. Throwback Disney. So these are your deco, your kind of cutout functional items. Then you have your circle icons, flags, some like appointment label sized items, your weekend banner, and then your full boxes. I'm obsessed. So if anyone has ever seen the movie, you guys would totally know this is just the best movie ever. But I really wanted to kind of approach this differently. If you watched my vlog where I did a design with me, obviously we've come a long way since that design with me. I didn't do the full, like full boxes because it takes me forever. So that fast forward was about 45 minutes and there were 3 blank ones, hardly any foil done on it. So like, clearly I take a long time on my full boxes, but you would have seen the Benny here and me designing that. So I mean, I definitely showed you a lot in kind of my mindset and designing. And I think you guys really enjoyed it. The feedback I got was that was my favorite part of the vlog. So I think I may try to sneak some of the designs with me into my vlogs, but this one might be my favorite. And also probably took me the longest, which wasn't even in the design with me. So it is the staff, you know, the one that the pumpkin, or I should say, that's the biggie one. But I wanted it to have like its powers coming out and not just like up. So it's kind of like over part of like the claw. Again, I overthink things, and I think that's what people like about my kits, that I approach things really different than a lot of the other shops. And granted, I know this has been out for over a week, and I had quite a few orders for it. So I was kind of worried with so many people that came out with all the different ones that mine would kind of be left behind because I didn't release it right away because, you know, we're still 2+ months away from Halloween, yet there were probably 3 weeks before I released it. Yeah. Anyway, so these are the check boxes. I have pumpkins on them because obviously, why not? And then again, these are the staple colors in the kit. I really, really like these colors. And that blue, if you notice, I brought that a lot in throughout my kit here. And I think that what's really different about my kit is that a lot of people had like really dark kits. And don't get me wrong, obviously fall dark is fine, but I kind of wanted to make mine a little bit lighter. Not so orangey and dark, kind of like a little bit more airy. Again, the overthinking and overcompensating there. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, then we have the bottom washi, which again, this seems to be my go-to bottom washi. I just really like it. I feel like it's clean, it's simple, it's not overdone, and then when you lay out the kit, it just goes really well with everything. Like it doesn't overdo it too much. I'm just gonna overlap part of these because I think it's gonna get out of frame. Yeah, so I feel like that kind of gives a balance to everything with this bottom washi because there are a lot of darker elements in it. So again, the overthinking, the overanalyzing, you know. All right, so now we have our mini kit, which is exactly the same as it is pretty much every single release, but I still like to show it. We have the headers, flags, like the appointment-ish labels, weekend banner, the icons cut out and circle. We have awesome full boxes like the main kit. There you can really see that staff. I was looking. You can definitely see that in this this view. So I'm obsessed. And then we have the last 2 pages that are also in the main kit. So I try to keep my production as easy and to the point as possible without making like 80 different million sheets to print and cut, that if they can share some of the sheets, it's cheaper for you guys and easier for me. Again, the oversharing. All right. Even though I released 1 kit and some glitter overlays, it for some reason is 7.5 minutes. So I'm gonna go. Thanks for hanging out with me a little later than usual. These are again on my new website, princevi.com. Please support me on there. I mean, don't get me wrong, Etsy is still there. I don't know if I've uploaded everything. I think I have. I think I've taken off some of the foiled check things, like the little icons, these guys. Because I can't keep inventory on 2, so these are only on, I believe, the website. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.